Hi, this is Tracy of Balance Quest. Welcome to my 1-minute mini meditation. Let's start by sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed, your eyes closed, and start to become aware of your breath. Feel the sensation of your breath flowing in through your nose, expanding your lungs, and exhale through your nose or mouth. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in a feeling of calm, and breathing out a feeling of ease. Calm and ease. And congratulations, you made it through your 1-minute meditation. And as you move into the rest of your day, let's bring this feeling of calm and ease into everything you do. Have a great day.